Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings app, then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, we should click this water. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. You could choose one from the network here. You should enter the password and tap to connect. After that, just wait a second and you could see that your device we just successfully connected to the network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi option, you should hold it for a while. You should just click on this switcher to activate it to turn it on, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while. After that, you'll see here all of the network. You should just select the network and enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.